So, you want to know what a brickie does every day? Well, it's more than just laying bricks. It's a craft, a skill, and a whole lot of preparation. It starts long before the first brick is laid. The groundwork is crucial. Prep work is everything, from organizing tools to understanding the site, double-checking plans, making sure every detail is accounted for, measuring twice, sometimes even 3 times to avoid costly errors later on. Accuracy is key, and making sure the site is ready. Is the foundation level? Are there any obstructions? These are the questions we ask. We clear rubbish, ensuring a clean workspace is a safe workspace. Level the ground because an uneven surface will cause problems down the line. And set up profiles and string lines, ensuring straight lines and consistent heights. To guide every brick, ensuring a uniform and aesthetically pleasing wall. Precision here means the wall stands true later. It's about building something that lasts. Simple repairs are just as important. Maintaining existing structures is a key part of the job. Not every job is a new build. Sometimes it's about preserving history. Sometimes it's fixing a garden wall, bringing it back to its former glory. Or repointing old mortar, preventing water damage and structural issues. We carefully remove damaged bricks or mortar, using specialized tools to avoid further damage. Clean the area, ensuring a good bond for the new materials. And match the new mortar to blend in, creating a seamless repair that's almost invisible. It's like being a brick dentist, a delicate operation requiring precision and care. Extracting the bad, saving the good, and preserving the integrity of the structure. Even small fixes take skill to make them invisible. It's an art form in itself. These repairs prevent bigger, costlier problems down the line. A little maintenance goes a long way. It's satisfying work, knowing you've made a difference and extended the life of a building. Restoring something old to good condition. There's a real sense of accomplishment in that. The unseen effort in prep and repairs, the meticulous attention to detail, is what makes the finished job solid. It's the foundation of quality craftsmanship. Every day starts with groundwork, assessing the project and planning the approach, literally and figuratively. It's about setting the stage for success. Without it, nothing else matters. A shaky foundation leads to a shaky structure. That's the real foundation of bricklaying. It's the principle that guides everything we do. It's not glamorous, but it's essential. The unglamorous tasks are often the most important. Get the basics right, master the fundamentals, and the rest falls into place. That's how you build something that lasts for generations. That's the Brickie's way. A commitment to quality, precision, and lasting results. Now let's delve into the heart of construction. It's time for the main event, laying bricks, stone, and blocks. These are the fundamental building blocks of countless structures around the world. Each material has its quirks, its own personality, if you will. Face bricks, for show, are all about aesthetics. They are the beautiful facade, the outer layer that catches the eye. Common bricks, for structure, are the workhorses providing the essential support. They are the unsung heroes hidden beneath the surface. Stone, for character, brings a natural, timeless beauty. Each piece is unique, telling its own geological story. And blocks, for strength, offer efficiency and stability. They are the modern solution for robust construction. Bricks are laid in rows, carefully aligned to create a uniform and stable structure. Each one checked for level and plumb, ensuring the wall is perfectly vertical and horizontal. Stonework is like solving a puzzle, a 3-dimensional jigsaw where every piece must fit perfectly. Each piece unique with its own shape, size, and texture. Demanding patience and a good eye to find the perfect place for every stone. Blocks are bigger, making the construction process faster and more efficient. Used for foundations and inner walls, providing a solid base and strong internal structure. Letting you build fast but requiring muscle, as these blocks can be quite heavy. The method's the same. A consistent process that ensures quality and stability. Mortar bed, providing a cushion and adhesive layer. Position, carefully placing the brick or stone in its designated spot. Check, ensuring it's perfectly aligned with the rest of the structure. Repeat, over and over, building the wall, layer by layer. Patterns like stretcher, a simple and common running bond, or Flemish bond, a more decorative and complex pattern, aren't just for looks. They are not merely aesthetic choices. They add strength, distributing the load and preventing cracks. It's about interlocking, creating a cohesive and resilient structure. Not just stacking, but carefully integrating each piece into the whole. Whether it's a garden wall, adding charm and definition to a landscape, or a foundation, providing the essential support for an entire building. The goal is always strength and durability, ensuring the structure stands the test of time. Every wall is a blend of art and engineering, a testament to human skill and ingenuity. Watching it rise from nothing, Seeing a structure emerge from the ground is what makes the hard work worth it, the satisfaction of creating something lasting and beautiful. That's the craft of a brickie, a skilled artisan who transforms raw materials into enduring structures, one piece at a time, meticulously building the wall with precision and care. It's tough work, demanding physical strength and stamina, but the results last, standing as a testament to the skill and dedication of the craftsperson. Mortar is the glue that holds it all together, and mixing it right is crucial. The recipe changes. More lime for old stone, stronger cement for modern bricks. We mix by hand or with a mixer, using the right sand and additives for a smooth, workable mix. The consistency should be creamy, not too wet or dry. Mortar goes on the spot board, ready for the trowel. Spreading it evenly and filling every joint is key for strength. Stone needs more mortar for gaps. Blocks need a wider bed. The goal, a solid, even bond every time. Good mortar work means a wall that stands the test of time. Brickies don't just build walls, you know. Our skills extend far beyond vertical structures. We lay paths and patios too, crafting outdoor spaces that enhance your home and garden. From simple walkways to elaborate entertainment areas, we've got you covered. Prep is vital. It's the unsung hero of any successful paving project. We carefully dig to the right depth, ensuring adequate space for the sub-base and pavers. This step is crucial for preventing future problems. Then we lay a hardcore sub-base, providing a stable and well-draining foundation. This layer acts as a buffer against ground movement and moisture, and compact it well, using a plate compactor to achieve maximum density. Proper compaction is key to preventing settling and unevenness. A solid foundation stops sinking and keeps things level for years to come. We use levels and other precision tools to guarantee a perfectly flat surface. On top goes sand or a sand-cement mix, providing a bedding layer for the pavers. This is screeded flat, creating a smooth and even surface for the pavers to rest on. Pavers, concrete, stone or blocks, the choice is yours. We work with a wide range of materials to suit your style and budget. They are laid carefully one by one with meticulous attention to detail. We're using string lines for straightness, ensuring perfect alignment and a professional finish. And a slight slope for drainage is essential, preventing water from pooling on the surface. Each paver is tapped level with a mallet, ensuring a uniform and even surface. Joints are filled with sand, providing stability and allowing for slight movement, or mortar, for a more permanent and weed-resistant solution. This locks everything in place, creating a cohesive and durable surface. Attention to detail here means no wobbles or puddles, just a smooth and inviting outdoor space. A well-laid patio adds value and looks sharp, enhancing the curb appeal and enjoyment of your property. It's heavy work, requiring strength and stamina, but the results are worth it, transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional area. Like walls, it's all about the groundwork. The foundation is everything. Get the base right and the rest follows, ensuring a long-lasting and beautiful patio. That's how you build a patio that lasts, providing years of enjoyment and adding value to your home. Finishing touches matter, pointing, cleaning, and protecting the work. Pointing styles, flush recessed, weather struck, aren't just for looks, they help shed water and protect the wall. We use special tools to shape the mortar for a neat, uniform finish. Cleaning off mortar splashes keeps the job looking sharp. Sometimes we use sealants to protect stone or exposed brick from stains and weather. These steps add years to the life of the work. It's about pride, making sure the job looks good and lasts. The final details separate a pro from an amateur. That's the mark of a true brickie. Quality checks happen all the way through, not just at the end. We're always checking level, plumb, and dimensions with spirit levels and string lines. The bond pattern and joint thickness are checked for strength and appearance. Mortar consistency and bonding are watched closely. For big jobs, mortar samples might be lab-tested for strength. Final inspection means looking for cracks, misaligned bricks, or wobbly pavers. Every detail is checked for safety and durability. A good brickie leaves work that stands strong for decades. Pride is in the quality, not just the look. Site cleanliness is safety, no exceptions ever. We sweep up debris, sort waste, and dispose of it properly. Tools are cleaned and stored to prevent damage and theft. A tidy site prevents accidents and shows respect for the craft. Before leaving, we protect unfinished work and check for hazards. Clear paths and safe conditions are a must for everyone. A clean site means a safe site. It's not glamorous, but it's vital. At the end of the day, safety always comes first.